Good afternoon, folks. We're live at 1:10 p.m. battling for Dennis's carded R5. There he is. Nice little sweet treat on a Sunday afternoon. I got 100 spots that I'm going to, for some reason, very slowly copy and take over to random to find our winner. There they are at 1 through 100. Gonna roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5 to play. I got a 4 there, so I am rolling again. Got a 10er that time, which means we're good to go. Good luck, guys. Good luck, guys. Here we go. David, round 1. Troy, round 2. Matt, round 3. Sam, round 4. Matt again on top in round 5. Donnie, round 6. Sam, round 7. Matt, round 8. Adam, round 9. And our last round coming. Our winner is Scott Singer, in at number 95. Congrats, Scott. Here's the verification code and official results for you guys. JEPBNC. Scott Singer, 95, is the champ of the R5 battle, which means I'm done at 1:11 p.m. There she blows. Again, here's the official results. Scott in at number 95. Congrats. See you next time, guys. Thanks.